What is up, everybody? Today we are playing Ghost Tabor. I forgot to record the outro first, so yeah. So let's start this video right now. We're playing with a retard, so yeah. You gotta support the Make-A-Wish Foundation, so. I swear to God, shut up, shut up. Where the frick? I swear to God, this did not just happen. Are you already loaded in? Mia? Mia. Great, I'm over here by prison. What? What? How did I just snipe some freaking scav? What? And I only had one bullet to do it, too. Because I'm a retard and I don't know how to freaking shot at from. Oh my God, there's some kid camping me. I don't know how to aim at this gun. Oh my God, I just got killed by 2 players. And 1 scav. Oh, down in a bad romance. I need an NRS. Somebody already took it. God dang it. They're probably on their way to prison. They're probably already at prison. They probably looted everything. I think that's them. Okay. Let's start from the beginning. My name is Miles Morales, and I shoot people with my gun, because I don't know how to use my webs. Getting shot at probably scav. Yep, that's a scav. Please have a gun for me so I can kill this freaking scav. He's gonna kill me. I don't know what to do. I have no guns. Please save me. I have no guns. He is going to freaking kill me. Yeah. Oh my God, that's a freaking player. Where's your gun? Where's your gun? Where's your freaking gun? No. I did not just freaking glitch through the wall.